Welcome again to RSA Passive Income Academy. Moving on to the next analysis of the day, we're looking at British Pound, Japanese Yen. As I can say, our strategies consist of 80% fundamental analysis and 20% entry model, which is statistics and technical analysis. All right, so here, as you can see, we start by denoting our price flow and price ceiling, price flow and price ceilings. From price flow and price ceiling, we indicate our price clutter, right? You can see there we have a price clutter, and then thereafter we look for our price dumping zone, and then price collecting zone. However, as you can see in this chart, there is no collecting zone, and thereafter we look at the highest price ceiling and the lowest price flow of the chart from the price movement. And then therefore, after we indicate our price construction level, construction zone, equilibrium level, expansion zone, and expansion level. Thereafter, we look for depreciation level, and unfortunately we do not have appreciation level that have formed yet. So the next thing that I will do for this pair is to just sit back and wait for appreciation level to be formed and look at the dumping zone if the price will be moving towards the equilibrium level or it's moving toward the downside, continue with the downshift momentum after the appreciation level and the dumping zone is formed within the expansion level, and I'll be looking for short. However, if the expansion level is appreciation level is formed within the expansion zone, then I'll be looking to position for long. All right, and thereafter I will be looking for my first setup of the day, and within the upcoming days I'll be looking for my second setup of the day. I only take two setup per pair and no more than 3 trades per day. That's my risk management. That's how I even manage my psychological, so that I do not make mistake such as over trading and overconfidence, or having a run of winning stake and have mistakes, or seek for undecisive or being impatient about my position. So I look for only 3 position of the day. Of course, I seek for 2 position within a pair. Good A setup. I don't trade anything else rather than A setup according to my strategy. So with the previous video, I've explained how we go about with fundamental analysis. With this video, I've also added how I look at my psychology and how I maintain my clinical psychology thereafter, how I also manage my money, where I put 1:2. I've been looking for 1:2, but however, once I get to 1:1, I shift my stop loss to break even. And if I get taken out on break even, then I get taken out. I do not shift my stop loss to the downside. I always shift my stop loss to the upside. So if I move 1:1, then I move to break even. If I move 1:2, then I move at 1:1. If the price is still move according to my momentum predicted of the day, 1:3, then I move my stop loss 1:2. So if it's reverse, it takes me out at 1:2, for example, then that's the trade of the day. I do not barcode. I do not look for secondary interest entry point for same entry setup. I only enter one in a pair, and that's it. So yeah, if you have any question and if you need some clarity, please leave the comment down below, then I'll answer your question. Or if you need some information about my strategy, please down below, I'll answer you for free of charge. And if you need the guidance with your forex journey, or with your trading journey, please leave the comment below. So let us make money, let us trade. Thank you.